In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add background music here in an Instagram Reel. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up Instagram on your device. If you can't find it, just swipe down and search for it. But once you're in the app itself, you need to tap the little plus icon up in the top left, and then from here you need to go ahead and hit reel and either record a video or choose one that you're already going to upload. I actually have one that we're going to go ahead and upload real quick. We're going to do this one right here. Now once you're on this screen that looks something like this, you need to find the little music icon. So if you scroll on the bottom, you'll see it selected, and this is where you search for whatever song it is that you want and you put it on here. So for example, we'll just do this one since it's up at the very top. Go ahead and hit the little arrow just like so, and then you could choose what part of the song you actually want to play. It really is as simple as that. Hit done. Whenever you're ready, hit next, and then continue through the posting process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe. We'd greatly appreciate it. Peace.